Before you decide to buy Beautikini, there are 7 essential things you need to know that could save you time and money, and make sure you're making the best decision for your skin. So let's get straight into it. First off, let me just say, Beautikini is becoming a popular alternative to some of the more established skincare brands, and many are comparing it to well-known products in the market. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand the unique advantages it offers, especially when you look at its effectiveness and pricing. Next thing, Beautikini stands out because it focuses on simplicity with its ingredient list. Unlike some competitors who pack their products with long lists of complicated chemicals, Beautikini keeps it clean with natural ingredients designed to work synergistically with your skin. This means you're getting products that can offer real results without the harsh additives that some other brands might include. The third thing to keep in mind is how easy the application is. If you've ever struggled with skincare products that require complex routines, Beautikini offers something refreshing. The products are straightforward to use, and they're designed to fit into your daily skincare ritual without adding unnecessary steps. It's ideal if you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time applying products, but still wants effective results. Now, the fourth thing I really like about Beautikini is their customer satisfaction guarantee. If you're unsure whether it's right for you, they have a satisfaction policy that allows you to try the products with minimal risk. A lot of competitors don't offer such generous return policies, but Beautikini allows you to test the waters with a confidence that you just don't see with other brands. This can be a game changer if you've had bad experiences with other skincare companies that lock you into non-refundable purchases. The fifth thing to know is about their customer service. Beautikini gets major points for its responsive support team. If you've ever reached out to a company only to be left hanging for days, you'll appreciate how fast and effective Beautikini's team is. This is a standout feature compared to some competitors where customer service can be lackluster at best. Next thing, you'll definitely want to consider their pricing structure. Beautikini's products are competitive, offering great value compared to some of the more expensive brands in the market. A lot of other skincare companies inflate their prices without offering much more in terms of results. With Beautikini, you're paying for quality, not just the name on the label. The seventh and final thing you need to know before buying is the results you can expect. In my experience, the products from Beautikini deliver noticeable results within a relatively short period. Of course, results vary from person to person, but I've found that consistent use of their line really does improve skin texture and hydration. Many competitors promise results that take longer to see, but Beautikini's straightforward approach to skincare gives visible results faster. To wrap it up, if you're considering Beautikini, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below to get the best offer for the product. You can try it completely free, and you'll also get some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Beautikini has earned its place in the skincare world, and it might just be the right choice for you. Remember, the sooner you try it, the sooner you can start seeing the results. Don't miss out. Click the link below for your best deal.